We are at the booth of SolarSpace, one of the leading cell maker that obviously turned also into module making. So, please tell us what is the most important product, the key product you are promoting at this show at SNEC 2024 in Shanghai.
Since you can see that SNEC is a big boom now, and now here we are promoting our high voltage 715 watt N-type TOPCon with 23.02% efficiency.
So, can you explain the most important features of this module?
So this is the bigger in size, where the customers can save their balance of system cost, including land, and it gives more generation. So now every company, including SolarSpace, now we are just focusing on N-type TOPCon bifacial module. So it gives more generation and helping customers to save the balance of system cost.
So it is obviously promoted for the utility applications, right?
Yeah, this is for the primarily into utility scale applications. Yes, correct.
So it has 715 watt output power.
Yeah, so this is 715 watt. Yes.
Okay. And when the product is available commercially?
So in China, yes, we are already supplying, but since in India it requires certain certifications like BIS, which is under process. So by end of this year, by December onwards, then we will be supplying 715 watt N-type TOPCon glass-to-glass bifacial modules for Indian market as well.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.